Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about first class EVS first lesson, that is our body, my body. Let us learn some of the body parts. So how many body parts we have in our body? Yes, there are so many body parts are there in our body. So let us see what are the body parts. So what is the first part in our body? The topmost part of the body? Yes, that is head. Head, eyes, ears, nose, eyebrows, tongue, mouth, skin, chin, neck, chest, hands, fingers. Here we have elbow. These are the fingers, and stomach, legs, knees, foot and toes. So for our hands means we will call as fingers, and for our legs means we will call as toes. So there are so many parts in our body. It will do different. The organ, each and every part will do the different action in our body. So what is the work of the head here? In our head only there are so many parts. That is called as face. This part will call as face. So in our face only we have so many organs. So many parts are there in our body. So these are the face parts. So here we can see. Now if we come here to the means our hands. What about our hands? What is the use of our hands? So our hands help us to hold the things. Suppose I am holding a chalk-piece like this. So I am holding with my hand. So our hands help us to hold the things, to write and to clap also. So these are the works with which we can do with our hands. So we use our legs. What is the work of legs? Our legs will help us. How does our legs help us? Our legs help us to walk, to stand and to run. So do you know that we have the 5 friends also? Means I am not saying about our friends. These are also our body friends. Means they are the 5 friends, 5 sense organs. I am talking about 5 sense organs. They are also friends like for us. So 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. What are those? The first one is eyes. Second one is ears, and the third one is nose, and the fourth one is tongue, and the fifth one is skin. So why I am calling this 5 sense organ like 5 friends? So without these 5 sense organs, so the life will be somewhat difficult. See, if suppose we don't have the eyes, how the world will be? Only one color we can see them, that is black. With our eyes only. How the eyes are useful for us? With the eyes only we can see. So our eyes help us to see this beautiful world, colorful world. We can see with our eyes. So all the, like the rainbow we can see, the beautiful rainbow we can see. So the trees, the colorful flowers, everything we can see with our eyes. And another one is ears. Second one is ears. Without ears we can't able to hear. So we are completely deaf then. So if we listen with our ears, we hear the sounds, different sounds. The school bell sound, the temple sound, the train, the vehicles, different types of vehicle sounds, horns. So all these will listen with our ears. The music, if we want to listen to the song means we have to listen to the music. So the songs, everything we listen with our ears. The birds, how does the birds will make the sounds? How does the animal makes the sounds? So all the different sounds, if we want to listen means we want the ears. So listening also very important. So our ears will help us to hear the sounds. And the third one is nose. What is the use of nose? Yes, it is a smell. So our nose helps us to smell different things. Any good smell, either good smell or bad smell, whatever. Your mother will prepare some favorite dish for you. Then you can identify the smell of it. Oh, mummy has made a yummy dish for me. So you smell with your nose. So like that. Any flowers smell. So when you are going outside, you use perfumes. So very perfume smell, a nice smell. So with that smells, we can identify with the nose. Our nose only will help us to different smells. Fourth one is tongue. What is the use of the tongue? Tongue will taste. So our tongue help us to taste the food. Different taste. Either it is sour, either it is bitter, either it is sweet, whatever taste. So all the taste we can identify with our tongue. So our tongue will help us to taste the food. So whatever, suppose if you are going to your mother will prepare some nice yummy dish for you. So you will taste and say, yes, mummy, this is very tasty. You will say chocolate is very tasty. You will go and eat any pizza. Yes, that is very good. The taste of pizza is very nice. So our tongue only will help us to taste different things. Last one is skin. What is the use of the skin? So skin help us to feel. Suppose if any object if we see, if we touch means we can close our eyes and we can feel and say, yes, this is soft. So this is like this. And if we touch another one is, oh, this is rough. So if any stone or if any thorns, if any your friend will come and prick on your skin, immediately you say, oh, something happens to my skin. So immediately our skin will help us to feel. So our skin help us, if it is either it is cold object or hot object, immediately you can say, yes, this is cold, this is hot. So if you close your eyes also, you can feel with your skin. So these are the sense organs, how they help us to us. So our sense organs will help us to know the beautiful world around us. So let us one more time will recap. So our body has different parts, many parts. Our body has the different parts. So our hands help us to hold the things and to write and clap. Our legs help us to walk, run, stand and jump. And we have how many sense organs we have? We have total 5 sense organs and we'll call as 5 friends also for it. So these are the 5 sense organs help us to know the world around us. So eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So children, I hope all of you understood the lesson. Thank you.